we read until our last this lesson, right? Of course. Before that, before we start our lesson, let's pray together. Pray begin. Finish. And before we start our lesson, I will check your attendance first. If I call your name, please say I'm present. Hilda, Faiza, Arina, Divya, Akila, Marela, Mila, Afifah, Ita, Amira, Eva, Dea, and Hina. Alright, you are all here. So, before we start, please take a look to these pictures. What is these pictures, guys?
Nasi goreng.
And then
Soup chicken.
it is Livia, which do you prefer, fried rice or soup?
Soup. Fried rice me.
Give me the reason, please. Alright, I see. I agree also with you.
Soup juga ada sayurnya nih.
Yes, that's right. It's nasi goreng juga, right? For balance. Alright. And then please take a look to this picture. What is this picture about?
Green.
And what is this? Alright. So there, would you rather reading a book or watching a movie or TV?
I prefer reading a
Why you like watching and reading a book? Give the reason.
Because
The reason why you like reading a book, why you prefer reading a book?
I feel comfortable. Yeah, because I feel comfortable.
Alright. Because it is get more knowledge, right?
Yes.
Alright, so today we are going to listen or study about asking and giving.
Yes.
That's right. Alright. By the end of this lesson, my students will be able to identify expression of asking and giving preference, and then use expression of preference correctly in short dialogues, and last is expression of opinion and preference in confident manner. Next, please take a look to this video. Please listen carefully.
It's absolutely delicious. Yes, I did, but I prefer vanilla. Chocolate? Yeah, I don't mind the chocolate, but vanilla is my favorite. I see.
One more?
Yes.
Please listen again.
It's absolutely delicious. Yes, I did that the other day. Chocolate. Now, I don't mind the chocolate, but vanilla is my favorite. I see.
So, this video, what are they talking about?
Chocolate cake.
Yes, Mila? What are they talking about? Mila? Talking about what, Mila? If you cannot, next to Hilda, yes, Hilda, please.
The video talk about the boy asked if the girl likes chocolate or not. And the girl answered if she likes vanilla more than chocolate.
Alright, thank you, Hilda, for your answer. And I want to ask you, Mika. Do you prefer chocolate cake or vanilla cake?
Chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake. Why do you prefer chocolate cake?
I don't like vanilla.
Alright, so look, we are all, or you are all have the different preference, right?
Yes.
So, what is preference? Preference is what someone likes more than another thing, like the pictures and the video before, like the foods, the different like hobbies, watching movie or read a book, and then the examples. I prefer tea to coffee, or I like chocolate more than vanilla. And this is, please take a look. This is how the way to ask about someone's preference. The first, you can use which do you prefer, A or B. Please repeat after me. Which do you prefer, tea or milk?
Which do you prefer, tea or milk?
The next, do you like A or B better?
Do you like A or B better?
Next, would you rather playing football or basketball?
Do you rather playing football or basketball?
Plus, what would you prefer,
What would you prefer,
fried rice or fried chicken?
red rice or red chicken?
Next is how the way if we want to giving our preference. The first is I prefer A to B. For example, like I prefer fried rice to soup. And for the second structure, giving preference, I would rather playing basketball than playing badminton. And for the third, I like chocolate better than vanilla. And for the last, between milk and ice cream, I prefer ice cream. Please repeat after me. I prefer
I prefer
fried rice to fried chicken.
red rice to fried chicken.
I would rather playing badminton
Playing badminton
than playing basketball.
than
And the last, between milk and ice cream,
Between milk and ice cream,
I prefer ice cream.
I prefer ice cream.
So if we want to giving our preference, the first we can use this. Alright, students. For giving preference, we can use cooperative preference. The first structure of prompt is we can use subject plus like plus noun or verb in, and then plus better than plus noun or verb in. For example, she likes reading better than watching a movie. So if we use like, we can add after that noun or verb in. So in this example, use what, students?
Verb in.
What it is? Reading. So use like plus
Verb in.
The next form or structure is subject plus prefer plus noun or verb in plus to plus noun or verb in. For example, I prefer listening to music to playing games. So in the second structure of form, use subject plus prefer plus verb in. It is listening and plus to. So listening to music and then plus to and then plus noun or verb in. So the example is I prefer listening to music to playing games. Please repeat after me. I
I prefer
listening to music
listening to music
to playing games.
to playing games.
Right. We next to the third structure, we use subject plus would rather plus part 1 plus then and plus part 1. For example, he would rather eat noodle. He would rather eat noodles than rice. So in the third structures, we use subject plus would rather plus verb 1 plus noun and plus verb 1. Please repeat after me. He would rather
He would rather
eat noodles than rice.
eat noodles than rice.
Right. Do you understand, my students?
Yes, yes.
Next, the last structures we use subject plus would prefer plus 2 for 1 plus rather than for plus for 1. For example, we would prefer to go camping rather than stay in a hotel. So in the last structure of forms, we use subject would prefer plus 2 for 1 plus rather than and plus for 1. Please repeat after me. We would prefer
We would prefer
to go camping
to go camping
rather than stay in a hotel.
stay in a hotel.
So this is about giving a preference or comparative preference. Do you get it, my students?
Yes, yes.
Alright. Who wants to be volunteer to read this? Yes, this. Yeah. Who wants be? Nabila.
Anak, yes. Which do you prefer, English or mathematics? I prefer English to mathematics. English is more interesting. I see I rather study mathematics because I like numbers. That's cool. You like different things.
Alright. Thank you, Almira and Nabila. So this is the first example of asking and giving preference. And the situation is two students are talking about their favorite subject. So the situation is in the class or in the canteen. With Anna asks to Elsa, which do you prefer, English or mathematics? So Anna asks about what? About things or about activity? About things, about subject, right?
Yes.
So Anna use which do you prefer? Use subject English or mathematics? And Elsa answer, I prefer English to mathematics. English is more interesting. So Elsa use I prefer and I prefer English to mathematics form. And next, Anna say, I see. I would rather study mathematics because I like numbers. So this is Anna say, I would rather study mathematics because I like numbers. So Anna give the reasons also, right? And the last, Elsa say at school we like it. How about Ilva? Which do you prefer, English or mathematics? Why?
Because it's so hard.
Why it's so hard? So you have the difference. Preference. And how about Manila? Manila, which do you prefer, English or mathematics? Give me the reason.
Because my mother is teacher mathematics.
Your mother is math teacher.
So that's my mom.
That's cool. I still have another example and with the different situation. Who wants to be conflict?
Gina Ipa.
Gina and Ilva?
Gina, do you prefer going to school by bike or by motorcycle? I prefer going by bike because it is cheaper.
I see. I would rather go by motorcycle. It's faster.
That makes sense, especially when we are late.
Alright, thank you, Gina and Ilva. So this is another examples of dialogue. The situation is two students are on the way to school. So for the first, Gina asks to Ilva, do you prefer going to school by bike or by motorcycle? And Ilva answered, I prefer going by bike because it is cheaper. So why the Ilva say I prefer going to by bike? What the reason?
It's cheaper.
Because
Cheaper.
right, that's right. And then Gina also say, I see, I would rather go by motorcycle. And what the reason by Gina? Why? Yes, faster. And the last, Ilva said that makes sense, especially when we are late. In this situation, I also want to ask another students, Amira, do you prefer going to school by bicycle or motorcycle?
I prefer by motorcycle
Why do you prefer motorcycle?
because it use less energy.
Thank you, Amina, for your answer. And next, I want to ask to Faiza. Faiza, do you prefer going to school by bicycle or motorcycle?
I prefer using motorcycle.
Why you prefer using motorcycle?
Because you don't have bike.
Because I don't have motorcycle, so I just they always like me to
Motorcycle. Thank you, Faiza. So we are all here at the different preference. So the next activity, we will have individual exercise. I will give to you a couple one. Yes. For this episode one, please listen to me carefully and then please circle the correct answer for what I say to you. You understand, students?
Yes,
For number one, I prefer fried chicken to fried rice. One more time. I prefer fried chicken to fried rice.
I prefer fried chicken to fried rice.
Do you
just twice, guys. Don't ask one.
once again? Please circle the correct answer for what I say. For number one, I prefer fried chicken to fried rice. You done for number one?
Yes.
Next, number two, I would rather play football than badminton. I would rather play football than badminton. Do you done, students?
Yes, miss.
For number three, I like dancing better than singing a song.
Once more.
For number three, I like dancing better than singing a song. Do you all dance, students?
Yes,
Alright. And then after that, please do the task 2. In this task 2, you can write the answer based on your preference. Based on your preference. And if you have any difficulties, please raise your hand and tell me. Yeah, you answer yes. For number 3, you can write answer like the copy or the
Finish, Miss.
Let's discuss together. For task one, who wants to read the first sentence?
Number one is A. I prefer fried chicken to fried rice.
So how about others? Do you have same answer or
Same.
So the first, the correct answer is A. Second is apa?
B. I order play football and badminton.
How about others? Do you have
Same.
all same?
Yeah.
It is correct.
Yes.
It is like what I said before.
Yes.
For the third question, Najla.
I like dancing better than singing a song.
How about others? Do you have same questions? Yes, the correct answer is A. Who have the wrong answers? One.
One is
Next, move to task 2. For the dialogue number 1, who wants to read the answer?
Iva and Nina.
Yuka and Tina. Okay.
Do you prefer pizza or burger? I prefer pizza because it tastes better.
I'm sorry, student. Can you louder?
Do you prefer pizza or burger? I prefer pizza because it tastes better.
Who anyone have different answer?
No.
So all of you use do you prefer, and then the answer is I prefer.
Yes.
And then who wants to read the dialogue number 2? Hilda and Faida.
Hilda, one number 3.
Number 3. Marla and Mita. Number 2.
Marella, do you like studying in the morning
Sorry,
or
not louder.
Marella, do you like studying in the morning or at night? I like at night better because it's quieter.
How about others? Do you have same answer or different?
Same.
So all of you like to studying in the night.
Yes.
Why?
Because
More
More comfortable and Olivia? More focused. Nita? The last dialogue, Hilda and Faiza. Read the dialogue.
Would you rather spending time at home or relax at the park?
I would rather eat sama.
Sleeping at home or
Ulangi.
would you rather sleeping at home or relax at the park?
I would rather sleeping at home because it's not
So Hilda study or spend time in at home rather than in the park?
Yes.
How about others?
Watch the drama.
Watch the drama?
Yeah.
Or what? Please leave your answer.
Would you rather watch the drama at home or swim and
Sleep.
yang kayak buat mancing-mancing
Who anyone have different answer? Amira, different answer from Zulka and Faiza. How about Dea? How about Amira?
Manda different.
What's your answer? Manda.
Agak lain. Mungkin lagi
Yes, please read your answer for number 3.
yang B deh.
Duanya ini.
Would you rather stay at home or play the park? I would rather stay at home because it's more relaxing.
So you choose the stay at home or play at home. Right. Thank you, students. You have the great words. And next, I will invite you into groups. The one group consists of 3 members. So, Yulda, Faiza, and Amira will be make a circle. And then Nabila,
ini
Nabila and Livia. The second group. But I took one of them. Make a circle like then Mita, Kita, third group, and the last group is Afifah, Amira, and So please pay attention to my instructions. You will work in groups, and then you will choose one topic from below on the paper, like food or music or sport or hobby or study habits. And then make a short conversation for about 6 until 8 lines. And use at least 2 expressions of preference like prefer, would rather, like better than. And then practice and perform your dialogue in front of the class after you finish this task. And then please, each member must speak at least once. If you have any difficulties, you can ask to me.
Oke, Miss.
And I will give you time to 10 minutes. 10 minutes.
Oke, Miss. Miss, kami bercakap, Miss.
Tidak asik.
After this exercise, all of groups will present in front of me.
Itu satu bosan dan baik tolong.
The last group, you choose one topic. What topic? Group one here, finish. Group two, and the last group. The all groups will be present. The quiz group one presents in front of the class.
Our dialogue is
It's okay. We are still studying. Yes.
Aida, which do you prefer, reading books or listening music?
I prefer listening music because I like dancing. Then when I listen to music, I can dance.
Hilda, what music do you prefer? I prefer disco rather than any music. What about you? I prefer statue. And how about you?
I also like that song.
Alright. So the group one choose topic about music. Thank you for group one. Please sit down. Please applaud. Second group two, please. Number one. Please pay attention.
Which one do you prefer, Maro? Meatball or geprek?
I prefer meatball to the fry because I'm bored with fry.
Really? Really? I rather geprek than meatball. Why? Because geprek is spicy and hot. That's why I like it.
I see. I like meatball than the fry because meatball is fresh and have broth soupy.
So
That's all.
thank you. Group three, group two. You choose a topic about food. For the third group, please. Wait, group three, choose about
Sport.
Yes, please.
Good morning, guys. How are you? I'm good. What are you doing, guys?
Jumpa and I are Duba in Car Free. How about you, Mita? What are you doing here?
Well, I'm looking for food because I don't like Zumba.
What do you prefer for your sport, Mita?
Bacakan.
Tenangin diri kita.
Aku prefer boxing.
Boxing.
I have scheduled this night for fight with Julie.
Of course, Mita, we will come to see you fight with today. Hopefully, you will feel.
Alright, thank you for being
Yay.
I choose Okay, last one is number one. Students, please pay attention group two.
Guys, did you prefer eating seblak or bakso? I prefer eating seblak. Really? I rather eating meatball. No, I prefer seblak because seblak is really spicy. I love spicy.
So the fourth group choose topic about food. Please give So thank you students, all of you have done present in front of the class and please go back to your seat. Alright students, now I have a short game. Please do these games based on what I have said before.
Learn.
Who learn?
Learn.
Who answer A?
A.
For 5 students. And for B? Right. Let's see the answer. So the first students have correct answer. So next questions. A. So the answer is A. Yes, you are right. In the what? Which structure? The 4. Prefer plus 2. 4. Yes, it might be the 4 structures. Next game, next questions. B. All of you answer B. Yes. Let's see. Yes, you are have correct answer. Next question. If you don't know, you can see from the board. Yes, the answer is B. Which you prefer? Yes, the answer is A. Why A? Because if use the last structures, number 4, if use would prefer, it should to add for 1. That's right. The next question. B. What answer? Oh, A. Why the answer is A?
Number 3.
Yes, because if use subject and no, if use would rather, it must to only add for 1 without using 2. Next question. Let's see the answer. Yes, use 2 and for 1. Let's see the answer. Yes, you are alright. So you understand that you would prefer first 2 for first 1. Next question. What is the answer? B. Yes, Amira and all of you correct answer. And the last question. The answer answer is
B.
Let's see. Yeah, it is correct answer B because I would rather plus verb
One.
Yes. Good job, students. Excellent work.
Miss, excuse me, Miss. My father calling it.
Yes.
Halo, Pak.
Hello, Pak. Let's conclude our lesson today. What is preference, student?
Friends, someone likes
Yes, preference means what someone likes more than nothing. For example, like milk tea or I prefer chocolate to vanilla. And how the way to asking someone preference? And then which do you prefer? And then and the last and for how the way you giving your preference? So today we have to learn about asking and giving preference. Thank you so much students for your attention and participation. Don't forget to study more at home and see you next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.